Attack! Today I want to talk about TX-NR5100, the new Onkyo entry-level receiver. Before I start, please click like, share, and subscribe to my channel and put your comments down below so we can start a discussion. And don't forget to click the notification button so you will be notified whenever I put up a new video. So this unit comes with four HDMI 2.1 inputs. These HDMI 2.1 inputs with HDCP 2.3 comes with full 48 gigabits per second bandwidth. And as the box says, it comes with variable refresh rate, quick frame transport, dynamic HDR, auto low latency mode, quick media switching, display stream compression, and enhanced ARC. However, I have received more than a couple dozen emails asking me why the HDMI 2.1 don't work on this receiver. Well, strangely enough, the HDMI 2.1 capabilities are not activated from the factory. So now I'm going to show you how to activate the HDMI 2.1 option on these receivers. Without saying, of course, we have to unpack the receiver first. So here's the remote. To begin, don't forget to power on the receiver, obviously. Look at your screen. You click next by pressing enter. Then the receiver will show that you will need a firmware update. Do the firmware update, please. You will see that it's doing firmware update right now. Just wait. Depending on your connection, it can take up to 30 minutes for the firmware update process to be done. Ta-da! What you have to do next is press settings on the remote, go to input/output assign, press enter, and press enter again on TV out/OSD. And then you scroll down to HDMI 4K 8K signal format, press enter, and then over here you choose which one of the input you want to use, HDMI 2.0 or HDMI 2.1. So when it's set under 8K standards, that means you get the full HDMI 2.1 48 gigabits per second standard. And that's it. You just go out from your settings and you'll be on your merry way. If you find this video to be helpful, please click like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And please leave a comment below. And also, don't forget to click the notification button so you'll be notified every time I have a new video being uploaded. Thank you very much, and goodbye.